Have you ever had a really cool idea for a song, but you have no idea where to start with the drop? Yo, it's Thomas Anthony from FinishBetterMusic.com, and today I'm going to show you the quickest way to decide what type of bass pattern you should use for your song without the need for programming or any sound design. Now, before we get started, I just want to give a shout out to one of my mentoring students, Control Room, who have been absolutely killing it lately. Their song, Feeling Like 50 Again, just hit 70,000 streams on Spotify, and I've linked their Spotify down below so you can check out what they're all about. Now, if you're interested in the Finish Better Music mentoring program, there's a link in the description below on how to apply and what the whole program is about. So check that out if that's something you're interested in. Okay, let's get into the song, baby. I just wanted to share this tip with everyone because I know it's kind of confusing to generate drop ideas or get a feel for the direction that you want to go with your music. So this is something that I do to just kind of like test something out. So I found this vocal sample. This is just like a pretty chill ass vocal sample here. I just got it from
Watch me walk away, I'm taking everything you want.
Love this vocal, sounds pretty cool. Like there's more, or I guess I deleted the other bits, but this is just kind of like one idea. Now I'm like, what kind of drop would I want to do with this? And just a good way to kind of like feel stuff out. So this was in B minor, which is 10A. So I grabbed a couple tunes that I had from references and I just laid them out on my timeline, and then I just found like a clear part of the song and I just played the beat in the background, and I just wanted to see what vibe I could get from the song. So let's listen to this.
Watch me walk away, I'm taking everything you want. Watch me walk away, I'm taking everything you want.
So I'm like, that sounds pretty cool. And then I had this other track.
Watch me walk away, I'm taking everything you want. Watch me walk away, I'm taking everything you.
Sounds pretty cool. Then I also have this one.
Thing you want. Watch me walk away, I'm taking everything you want.
And I also had this one.
Thing you want. Watch me walk away, I'm taking everything.
And then I also had this one.
Thing you want. Watch me walk.
Now, obviously, you have to do some like a little bit of mental gymnastics to ignore the vocals that are going on there. But from all of this, what I got was, okay, something like this probably wouldn't work with the song, like the vibe of it.
Thing you want. Watch me walk away.
Especially when I hear this
Watch
part.
me walk away, I'm taking everything.
Just the boom, boom, boom. Doesn't really grow that great with the song. This Jord one sounds okay.
Want. Watch me walk away, I'm taking everything.
But because she's going do 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 do, the laid backness of that song, like it's like boom, 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 boom. Just something wasn't feeling too great with the meshing of those two, in my opinion. Get This Party Started one sounds pretty good.
Thing you want. Watch me walk away, I'm taking everything you want.
So maybe something of like like this style of bass line, where it just kind of like, where it doesn't like, it's not choppy and staccato-y. But I think the best one that fit was something like this.
Watch me walk away, I'm taking everything you want.
So something with like hard transients that kind of like has a like fast, choppier feel would probably be the best. Now, I'm not going to copy these guys' bass lines or patterns or anything like that, but what I am like understanding is like the style of bass sounds that would sound well, that would go well with this, and I just have a general idea of kind of like the vibe that I want to go. And this saved me a lot of time, like rather than like recreating or trial and erroring with a bunch of different styles, I could just line up something that's already 100% done and see what vibe fits my vocal. And that's kind of like what I do when I try to figure out what's going on with a song, so I can kind of know a direction, and then I'll go to town and start making it customized for these actual vocals, and I'll start building the idea around that. So I hope this helped. This is a little nifty little trick that I use to figure stuff out, and I hope you find it useful. Yeah, if you'd like one-on-one help with me, so like to learn more stuff like this and help me actually personally guide you step by step to finish a song and but with the help from me, you can go over to FinishBetterMusic.com and check out our mentoring program, see what it's all about. It's basically a one-on-one mentoring program with me where we meet every week, and I have a full system, a full program with content that you watch every week, homework, all that good stuff. You can find out exactly what the whole mentoring program is all about at FinishBetterMusic.com. Just click program, and if you want personalized one-on-one help, just click apply. It'll take you to this page where you got to fill out this form. It'll give me all the information I know to set up a free Zoom call with you. And on that call, we'll provide you with personalized feedback on one of your songs. We'll analyze your production methods and define any areas that need improvement. We'll answer any questions you have about music production or the mentoring program, and we'll provide you with a custom blueprint to help you finish better music. So whether we choose to work together or not, you will know exactly what to do in the future. Mentoring is definitely the best way how I have seen leaps and bounds in my music production, and I know that I can help you. Definitely do your due diligence. Go check out the music that I make. Go over to my Spotify. You can check out the music that I make, and I always try to, when I'm searching for mentors, to listen and see if they're making this type of music that I want to make, and if they have the same quality of music that I want to make. And that was a big important factor for me finding my mentors. So go check my music out, see if it resonates with you, see if I resonate with you. You can look at my other videos, and yeah, hope to chat with you soon. Okay, until next week, peace. You can also hit me up on Instagram at It's Tom Anthony. I answer all of my DMs, so you can hit me up, and I have ask me any questions, and I will get back to you. Okay, till next week, peace.
Hey guys, my name is Oshin, aka Neso, and I've just finished the 8-week programs of Tom. And yeah, I just want to say that it has been one of the best decisions I've ever made in my musical career so far. I've learned so much. I couldn't imagine that when I started, really. And yeah, Tom really gives his best to help you reaching your goal. And there's a ton of way of doing it, but having a mentor is really one of the the best solution to reach that specific goals. You can actually spend your money on a lot of things like studio equipment and just think like, oh, I need this crazy studio in order to make good quality music. But before having a crazy studio, you actually have to have a professional good quality music first. And don't wait to have your studio or whatever. Make sure that your music is professional first, and then you can consider having like a great studio or something, of course. Like to me, spending my money on knowledge, it has been really the best thing I could do. Now because of the program, I have like new banging tracks ready to be released, and I did all that with just my laptop and my headphone. And since I'm currently living in Ireland, I don't have like my bedroom studio here. So, but at the end of the day, you don't really need it like to make good music. Can just like make really good music with just like basic stuff. Yeah, and I couldn't be happier really to reach that level I wanted I wanted to reach. So if you're a music producer who struggle with something related to music production, don't wait until it's too late. Think about now and really, guys, go ahead with this program. You really won't regret it. Yeah, I improve in so many ways in my musical journey. This is really the best program out there, and there's no question about it. So yeah, Toms, I really want to thank you again for all what you've done for me in this program. I'm so grateful, of course, to have found it. We just need more person like you in this music industry. It's such a tough industry sometimes, but having you as a mentor really did change everything. And I'm really happy that I can call you my homie after this program. I've learned so much, but not just that, I also met a really great person. So Tom, again, thank you. Peace out. Bye, guys.